Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgo Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your Make Money Online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
What's the absolute best side hustle or online business model for 2023 and beyond? It's not Instagram. It's not TikTok. It's not selling on Amazon. It's certainly not working more hours at your job. It's faceless YouTube channels, where you don't need to be on camera, you don't need to record a single video, and you can stay totally anonymous. And yes, you can start getting results even if you don't have a YouTube account right now. In fact, with our new next-gen AI-powered app, you don't even need subscribers. AI does it all for you in a set and forget fashion. Each channel on average pulls in around $349 a day for us on complete autopilot. How many would you like to own? Introducing Sapphire. Here's how easy this is. Click 1, grab a copy, click on any of the links on this page to get instant access to Sapphire. Click 2, activate, connect your YouTube account old or new, and that's it. We start enjoying free traffic, leads, and $349 per day thanks to AI. There's no technical setup, no video recording, no investment needed, no speaking, no reading, no waiting for results, and no waiting to get paid. This is literally the best way we've seen to get results online. So how much is this going to cost? Well, how much is getting results online worth to you? I'm guessing $97 a month to make things a reality would be a bargain, right? But of course you aren't going to pay $97 a month. You aren't even going to pay $67 a month. No, not even $47 a month. In fact, you're not going to pay monthly at all. When you act right now during the special launch period, you can get in for a tiny one-time investment. But that's not all, because we believe in delighting our customers. So when you act right now, you'll also get our brand new bonus bundle absolutely free. You can see all the details below. These bonuses have never been offered before and are not available anywhere else for anybody to buy. But you get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all the risk for you with our 365-day money-back guarantee. And to totally blow your socks off, when you act now, you also get our get results or get paid $250 money back guarantee. If for some reason you don't get results with Sapphire, just let us know what you tried, and not only will we send you your money back, we'll also send you $250. It's literally a win-win situation for you. But hurry, act fast, because the price really goes up every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more. So if you want to tap into this incredible AI-powered opportunity, then all you need to do is click the button below to lock in your spot. Remember, Sapphire lets you create, set, and forget YouTube channels that in our testing make an average of $349 a day for us. If you want to join in on the fun, then you know what you need to do. So hurry, click the Get Started button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.